Welcome to Ruth Ukeme's channel.
Hello, welcome to my channel today. So I want to teach you guys the proper way to dispose your sanitary pad. This in my hand is a sanitary pad. I want to be teaching you, especially women. If you are a woman, please watch this video to the end. Watch this video to the end so that you can learn the proper way to dispose your sanitary pad. You know, in Nigeria these days, we have Yahoo boys, we have ritualists on the lookout for this thing. It looks small, but it's very mighty. They are on the lookout to get your sanitary pad and your panties for whatever they want to use it for. So please pay attention to how to discard this properly. Okay, the first thing is, this is a new pad. This is a new pad. It's a new pad. So there's nothing in it, but I want to use it as a tutorial to show you how to discard it properly. So when you are done using your pad, what you have to do is you open it here. Open this pad, tear it open. Don't fold it and go and put in the waste bin. Don't fold it and throw it away. It is very, very important you do this thing I'm showing you so that you can be safe. In this Nigeria now, we have to be safe. Women are their targets. Do this, and even when you want to discard your panties, don't just go throw them away. Burn them to ashes so that you'll be safe. Safety first. So you open it up, you tear it open, tear it open from top to bottom. You see, when it is used, you will discover that it will be very easy for you to tear it open. So when you have torn it open, what you will see that the inside is full of cotton wool. This is cotton wool. Can you see it? Cotton wool. The inside is just full of cotton wool. So you just pull it out, pull the cotton wool. When this is soaked, it will be very, very easy to pull it out. This is what I do. This is how I discard mine. Pull it out. Pull all of them, all of it. It will be very easy, I tell you, when it is soaked. Pull all of them out. It won't even be coming out in pieces like this. It will come out as a whole when it is soaked with your blood. So pull it out. Pull it out. Pull all this cotton wool here. Pull all this cotton wool. Pull all of them. Pull it out. Pull them out. And then go to your toilet. Go to your toilet. Put this cotton wool. It will not block this water system. It will not. Put this cotton wool soaked with your blood inside the toilet. Are you hearing me? Put it inside the toilet and flush it down. Flush it down. And then this pepper that will now be full of blood, you wash it. Are you hearing me? Women, girls, ladies, are you hearing me? Wash it. After washing it, this whole thing will now be white. You now gently go and put it in your waste bin. Tie it in a black nylon and then put it in your waste bin. When you do this thing, you are safe from ritualists, from Yahoo boys that are looking for women's used sanitary pad. Now I say make I come tell you today so that you don't fall victim. You may be in your house, you don't know that your sanitary pad is in one shrine, somewhere. Please discard this thing very, very well. It is very important you do it. Don't joke with your life. Thank you.